It's actually what I'm here to find out.
People who work under the water are pretty much construction workers.
Basically just an underwater construction worker. They can do anything a normal construction worker can do, but underwater.
Yeah, well, it's somebody that's a daredevil, they're a risk taker, don't mind the rigorous work, and they're a very outgoing person. They're alpha males. I mean, you just gotta be, you wanna be number one, you gotta be the best, and it's a dog-eat-dog world.
Everyone thinks of like underwater welding and everything like that, but that's not all it is. There's actually a lot to it. You could use all different tools down there. You could go from building, from starting structures to fixing structures to using any kind of bolts, wrenches, anything down there.
A occupation in the maritime field that has anything to do with underwater. So any kind of inspection, welding, burning, pipeline out in the Gulf, any kind of underwater construction is commercial diving.
Someone who does basically a whole lot of construction work underwater, so putting pipelines together, anything that you can do in construction, you'll find in construction, just under the water.
Is a risk taker, someone who's all in for it, you're in it for the long run, and you gotta be the best at what you do.
Basically, just a diver doing whatever needs to be done underwater, construction, salvage, all that.
Underwater specialist, anybody who would do any type of work underneath the water surface, anything from demolitions to inland diving, nuclear, diving in nuclear reactors. There's just a really wide array of things that you can do. We use a variety of different breathing apparatuses, scuba, mixed gas, surface applied. So it's a very broad spectrum of things that you're going to be doing under the water.
Underwater construction, destruction, movement, placement, modifications, inspections. Basically, your workday is underwater.
Somebody who does underwater construction work in the same things that a man can do on land, but at further depths below sea level.
Pretty much someone who dives anything that you can do on land, they can do in the water.